Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel Daily Commodity. So today's topic is what is tin as a commodity? Why is tin so valuable? What are the main uses of tin? Top 5 countries which produces tin and what are the factors which drives the tin prices? So let me remind you, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications from Daily Commodity. So let us know what is tin. Tin is a metal in the commodity market which is used in the various industries. Tin is a silvery metal that characteristically has a faint yellow. Tin is soft enough to be cut without using much force. There are two types of tin which occurs. First is white tin and the second is grey tin. White tin is a malleable silvery white metal that occurs at the room temperature. White tin has a number of uses in the industrial application, whereas the grey tin is a tin which is a powdery brittle substance which occurs at a low temperature. Why is tin so valuable? Tin is an element that when it is refined it becomes soft and silvery white metal. Tin has a property of resistance against the corrosion and therefore it is often used as a protective coating for other metals. Tin also forms a useful alloy which has many different properties with many other metals which includes copper. So now let us know which are the top 5 countries which produces tin. China is the leading tin mining country in the world. It produces more than 30% of the annual supply of the metal. The top countries which produces tin are China, Indonesia, Burma, Brazil and Bolivia. China is the leading tin mining country in the world. It produces about 1 lakh, that is 100,000 of metric tons of tin. The second country is Indonesia, which produces about 55,000 of metric tons of tin. The third comes on the list is Burma with 33,000 of metric tons of tin. The fourth country to produce the tin is Brazil, which produces about 26,000 of metric tons of tin. The last but not the least, Bolivia, which produces about 20,000 of metric tons of tin. So now let us know what are the main uses of tin. Tin is used in the various industries. Tin has many properties. Tin is used as a coating metal. The property of a tin against the resistance of corrosion makes it popular choice to coat the other metals. Tin cans, for example, are made up of aluminium or steel and coated with a tin alloy. Tin also acts as an alloy. Tin gets combined with the other metal to form a strong alloy, soft solder, bronze and phosphorus. Bronze are the example of the common tin alloy. Neodymium, the tin alloy which produces superconducting magnet. The third main use of the tin is done in the window glass. Tin is also used to make the window glass using a process. In this process, molten bath of the tin is used to produce the flat sheet glass. Tin is also used as a tin chloride. This tin salt is used as a reducing agent against a part of a process for dyeing calico and silk. So now let us know what are the factors which drives the tin prices. The prices of the tin is driven mostly by these 5 factors. First, soldering demand. Second, global stock. Third, Chinese demand and supply. Fourth, government policy. Fifth, input price. First, soldering demand. Approximately about 50% of the world's supply of tin is used in the solder, although this number has been declining in the recent year. In the year 2000, tin demand remained strong as the manufacturer replaced lead with the tin in soldering applications. In the year 2012, falling demand for the consumer's electronic and application caused a decline in the demand. Traders should focus on the demand and supply prices of tin to predict the future price of the tin. Second is global stock. Global stock. London Metal Exchange keeps a track of global stock level for tin and other industrial metal. When there is high demand, less supply, the prices tends to go up. When there is less demand and high supply, prices automatically comes down. Traders should keep an attention on change in demand, change in supply for clue about the tin prices. Third is Chinese supply and demand. China is the world's largest tin consumer and supplier, so the activity in the country affects the tin prices. In the recent year, China, uh, the Chinese economy has slowed its growth. For the tin prices to perform well, it is very important for Chinese economy to accelerate its growth rate. Fourth is government policy. Government trades policy can impact the tin prices previously. Indonesia has been a leading exporter of tin. The country has also banned the tin export in the recent year. So the actions like this can affect the demand and supply, and the Indonesian government has and other leading tin producer can impact the supply of the prices of tin in the global market. The fifth is input price. Tin occurs in the ore body, and breaking down this ore body to extract the metal extends energy. Producing tin requires ample supply of coal, electricity, and crude oil. So the changes in the price of the coal, electricity, or the crude oil can directly affect the input prices of the tin, and so on. It affects the price of tin in the global market. If you like the video, please do like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.